everyone. This is Imanshu.
And I'm Nikita.
I am passed out of Lingayas Vidyapeeth 2013 batch, and recently we have cracked the Shark Tank season 2, where we presented our brand nationally, that is Winston Electronics Private Limited. Our brand is all about cutting down the visits to the salon, where we give customer an experience with our tools that they can use our products and have a luxury of having a salon at home. Today it was really great, like having us, thanks to all the management, our chancellor, everyone who was given us an opportunity to address the students over here. And it was a lovely interactive session with everyone, where people were asking us about our journey, and we shared our thoughts and explained how deeply the D2C is working right now and how this ecosystem is working. And everyone over here should start something of their own and enter this ecosystem with their ideas. Right, India is emerging right now, and people who are coming up with their ideas and such innovative things, and people are ready to support them with the guidance, with the funds, and each and everyone. So I will just tell everyone to come up with the ideas and help everyone with it.
So I would just like to add to it that to all the students that, having a vision, having your clarity of thoughts and believing in you can actually do something will land you like somewhere good. So yeah, go after your dreams and believe in yourself. That's what I'd like to add.